just had a part of our Bhangra, it's the Dhol Bhangra as well, so I thought it's a bit of a so I thought I'd show you as well. So this is the training we do, which basically is the exercise for everyone. So thank you for joining us. So let me take you back there.
Good stuff.
So, we're going to continue with the more. I'm not sure you want to dancing now, so more and more people coming in now. So if you want to look through actually those coming in now, you can go back and start from the beginning. Right, I think it's time for me to go back in there as well. So, but there's so many people out here now, so I thought I'm going to take you to continue to show you.